So how can you speed up and slow down the video in a Capcut on your iPhone? Let's get started. And if you're new on this channel, new on Foxtecc, subscribe, and that way you're not going to miss anything important. Okay, so first of all, you need to open up your Capcut, get started with the project and everything, and import the clips into the timeline. Make sure that you have the clip selected because you have some options below even while not having it selected, but those are like different set of buttons. But just click on the clip and just pay attention to the speed icon right there. So you can tap on the speed. It's going to give you a few options. So you can change it like linearly where you adjust it the same way for the whole clip. For example, you can set it from 1x, which is the original speed of the clip, and you can make it go to like 2x, 5x, right? You can just speed it up a lot of times, right? That's like how it works. You can also go the other direction and to slow it down, meaning that you like make it have the speed. So you go from 1x to 0.5x, and the video is going to be half the speed and twice the length, right? That's how it works. Of course, the video might end up being choppy depending on how many FPS you captured it at, right? So if the video is 60 FPS and you slow it down to half the speed, it's going to be at 30 FPS. So that's going to be still watchable. It's going to be slowed down, but it's not going to be choppy, right? If you want to prevent that from happening, make sure to enable the optical flow in the export settings of Capcut, which might be a premium feature, but it is going to like fill in the choppy places in between the frames, and that's going to make it look a lot smoother, right? So that's what you can do. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up on your iPhone the way that you wanted. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.